G'day and welcome to the Ginger Cat Eyes with Jenny Brandis. This element forms the eyes of the Ginger Cat pattern from pattern month number 9. Starting with cross stitch, pin, cross stitch, at the top pin, the right pair becomes a top and left weaver pair. Bring down the right ear pairs and work cross stitch, pin, cross stitch, the first incoming pair. Cross stitch through the passives from the top pin. Cross stitch and pin the left incoming pair before closing the pin with cross stitch. Cross stitch through the 2 pairs of passives to the next right pin. Cross stitch through the incoming pair and put up the pin. Tension and then cross stitch through the incoming pair and the 3 pairs of passives to the next left pin. Work the incoming pair as usual. Put up the pin and tension. Close the pin with cross stitch. Cross stitch through the next 2 pairs. This brings us to the iris division, so put up the pin and close it with cross stitch. Lay 1 pair and its corresponding bobbins out of the way while we work on the other side. With the working pair, cross stitch through the 2 pairs to the next pin. In this case, working cross stitch to the next joining pin to close the iris. Then lay those pairs aside. Return to where we laid aside the other worker pair at the top of the iris and work that side in cross stitch too. Using the current worker pair, cross stitch, pin, cross stitch with the other worker pair. Lay the other pair down as a passive pair. Cross stitch through the passives back to the next pin. Turn as usual and work in cross stitch through all the pairs to the pin on the other side. Turn again and work back to the next pin. Finish off the eye with cross stitch, then work on the edge and cheek. It's not actually part of the eye, but just in case you wanted to see how the side of the head is done, here you go. Work the outside foot side with the passives from the ear to the cross stitch fan. Add in the gimp as you go. The cheek pins are worked in DFB stitch. Am I saying that right? Thank you for watching, and may your bobbins always dance.